Good morning vlog. Okay, as we can see, I just woke up. Let's use our context clues for a sec. Yeah, I look crazy. So today is an exciting day. Today I am driving 3 hours. I think it's gonna take, that's what it's gonna take, I think. 3 hours to the gym to work out. Vanessa, why are you doing this? Just don't ask. I'm going to leave here soon. Don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 9:30. I'm gonna try to leave here by 10:30 so I can get there by 1:30. I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take me. Probably 2.5 to 3 hours is my guess. But I am going to begin by making my breakfast. I can't not eat. I don't know how people don't eat breakfast in the morning. I think that's personally a little funky. This is what I've got going on. A whole lot of pans. I know I could just put them away, but I just don't. So I'm using this one for my egg whites, which I know is weird. I have this one, but it's dirty. So I'm going to make some egg whites with rice and avocado. As we know, it's the go-to. If it ain't broke, don't what? The gym I'm going to, it's a very cool gym. It's on the other side of the state though, so. Just to clarify, you guys, I'm not driving all the way there and then driving right back after my workout. I'm driving there and then I'm staying the night in a hotel for 2 nights actually. And I'm gonna just explore the city, see what it's like over there. I've never stayed over in that area, but I've driven through it before and it's so cute and it's like super quiet and clean. So I'm gonna go see it, how I like it, and yeah, I have to move in a couple months. So I'm like trying to decide where I wanna move to. So maybe that'll be an option. I had to grab my glasses so I could make my little breakfast concoction. You guys already know the drill for this, so I'm not gonna go into depth. This is literally my staple meal. I love this meal so much, and people think it's so weird, but I think it's fire. So I'm gonna stop and get Starbs on my way. I need to get Starbucks. I need to get a car wash really quick. I know I probably shouldn't get a car wash right before I drive like that kind of far, but it's literally so bad. The outside of my car is disgusting. And then I need to get gas as well. So those are the 3 things I need to do before I hit the road. Starting 9:40, and I told myself I was leaving no later than 10. So really off to a great start, but it's okay. I'm not on like a strict time crunch, so I don't know why. Like, it doesn't matter. I can get there a little bit late and it's all gonna be fine. While everything's cooking, I'm packing a little lunchbox. Wow, I didn't realize it looked like that. I'm packing a little lunchbox to bring with me. I just want to have this stuff just in case maybe I arrive too late tonight, don't really feel like going to the grocery store. So yeah, this is what I'm bringing. Of course, my Rise Cherry Limeade. You guys already know how I feel about that. Don't even need to go into detail. I am bringing my sweet treats ingredients, a rice cake, marshmallow fluff, and a Hue bar. Yeah, these are going in there for sure. And I am also bringing 4 like beef sticks. These ones are just from Costco. I am bringing some almond butter. This one is cinnamon almond butter. That's all I've got. I don't think I'm gonna bring anything else. Maybe I'll pack up like a serving of pistachios. I feel like that might be doing too much. Yeah, that might be doing too much. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna bring. The microwave just went off, so I think my eggs, I heard you the first time. I think my egg whites, rice. Yeah, they're a little bit like watery. I might put it in for like 30 more seconds. Egg whites are ready to be stirred. It's getting steamy. The egg whites are done. Whoa. I'm going to put them on top of my rice. Oh shit, I can't see anything. Oh my god. Okay, cool. This is what it's looking like. Sad, I understand. But now I gotta add the avocado and it'll be a lot better. Hold please. This is the one I use from Costco. Comes in a big pack and it's super convenient. And I usually do about 1.6 ounces of the guac. Yes, I measure it out. Mix her up. It really is like a trust the process type of thing because this is what it looks like. And then after you mix it up, it kind of looks like a green bowl. And everybody's always like, Vanessa, what are you eating? They don't listen. I'm trying to put everybody on to this delicacy and nobody wants to listen. Amazing. Look at that. It is a prime delicacy in my opinion. I'm gonna let it cool off though because she is smoking hot. So while she's cooling off, I'm gonna get ready because according to my itinerary I made up in my head, I'm supposed to leave in 13 minutes, and that's not happening. Makeup today is gonna be more on the natural side. My chin's kind of going through it, as you can see. I'm pretty sure it's just hormonal acne, so I'm not tripping too much. But I think I'm gonna just do mascara and brows, and then maybe like blush. I also need to charge my camera because she's dead. So I'm not gonna film myself getting ready because I want my camera to have power. Power, battery. Anyways, I'll be back when I look somewhat presentable. As you can see, I look a little bit more presentable. I did my hair, did my makeup, and now I am just finishing up my, like, closing my suitcase and stuff. Me packing all this stuff, like, girl, you're gonna be gone for 2 days. A whole suitcase. You can't even really see it, but yay. Okay, that's done. I have on the same sweat set I always wear when I road trip because it's so comfy. I believe it's called Dawn Collection. My fave, literally ever. I'm using this perfume. She's very strong, but it smells very good. And what else do I need? My phone. I think I'm ready to roll. I do need coffee ASAP though. My head's already starting to hurt because I haven't had any caffeine today. Alrighty, I'm officially in the car. I am exactly 1 hour later than I wanted to be, but it's okay. I don't exactly know how much I'm going to be able to film while I'm driving because I will be driving. I will try to get some clips when I'm like stopped and stuff and give you guys updates, but I still don't know where my little car mount thing went for my camera, which kind of sucks. Maybe it's actually in here. No, not in there. So, sorry. As you can see, I have about 60 miles till empty. Therefore, the first stop is the gas station. I'm scared to see how much this is going to cost. Usually it's about 50 bucks though. Also, I am going to mobile order my Starbucks really quick because literally I already have a headache. I already have a headache from not having my coffee. Venti. And then I think that's it, honestly. Okay, y'all, the damage, it was only $46, which like for a full tank of gas is honestly pretty good for premium gas. So now I'm going to Starbucks. Y'all, there's a car wash right next to the gas station. So I'm just gonna go through this really quick. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna like clean the inside of my car, but I just want the outside to be clean because it's actually so disgusting. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I'm just gonna run through this really quick. Oh, I like don't really know how to put my car in neutral, and he told me to put it in neutral and I accidentally put it in reverse. My car started going that way and there's somebody behind me. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. Alrighty peeps, just left Starbs, got the drink in hand. I'm about to devour this. I'm so freaking excited. When I drink my Starbucks, I don't like sipping it from the bottom because the bottom is still kind of warm and it like grosses me out. So I always have to like bring the straw to the top and drink it from the top. It literally tastes like coffee chocolate milk. I'm already making my first stop to use the bathroom and I literally started this trip an hour ago. So I love that for me. Alright, let's see. Oh, is it closed? Can I use the men's? The woman's is closed. Alright, I'm using the men's. I honestly don't even care. The mirror in here is literally sending me. This is so just men's coded. It's been only 30 minutes since I last vlogged in the last bathroom. As you can see, I'm at a 7-Eleven right now because, hear me out, I don't have to pee yet, but I know like the road I'm about to turn on, it's super long and there's no bathroom. So if I don't go now, like now's my last chance to go. In my opinion, this is a very smart move on my end. I think this is very responsible of me. Alrighty, stop number 2 is done. Continue this road trip. Hopefully only we'll have to make one more stop. Still got an hour and 20. I'm getting hangry, I'm not gonna lie. Got a beef stick. I'm really craving Jimmy John's right now. Don't know why. Craving like a nice sub. So definitely gonna have to stop and get lunch before my lift or I will just simply not make it through. This is not going to fill me up. I think I'll probably get to the gym by 3:30. My head hurts. I'm tired. I think I might have to do an energy drink before I work out. But yeah, that's my update. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting really tired. I think I'm going to have an energy drink and suck it up. And I think I'll probably just wait till after my lift to get my Jimmy John's. Still have about 45 minutes, but it's okay. We're thugging it out. We're almost there. I just made it to the gym. You can't really see, but I'm at Raw Athletic Club. I'm so excited to work out. I don't even know what I'm hitting. I wanted to do legs, but I did legs yesterday and my hamstrings and calves are really sore. So I'm like, maybe I could do some glute isolation or some quads or shoulders. I'm in the gym. I've actually been in here for a minute working out. I just haven't been vlogging it because, I don't know, I just haven't. So, yeah, here though. And I did shoulders and I kind of like burnt out my shoulders. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of lats because why not? I'm trying to have a big back. So I'll film a little bit of these, I guess. I honestly just don't really feel like putting you up on my big tripod. So I might just have to like put you on the floor. They have this panada machine and if I can remember correctly, I really liked it last time, so I'm gonna do it again. You're like on the ground. Please forgive me. I only did 20 pounds because I don't remember what I did last time. Yep, that feels so amazing. So 20 pounds is actually pretty light. I'll probably throw on another 10, see how it feels, and then maybe do a plate. I'm not sure yet though. I think I did a plate last time, but I'm pretty sure I remember it being really heavy. Yeah. I love these. Low-key, that felt kind of heavy. So I probably will just maybe add one more 10 for my next set, and then I probably won't go heavier than that because then I'll start to lose my mind to muscle connection because I'll feel like I'm just trying to sling the weight. Is that even the word? Sling, throw? And that's not what I'm trying to do. I just did my last set of that. I'm feeling tired and hungry. All I can think about right now is my Jimmy John's. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I think I might do one more thing maybe and then head out because I'm hungry, y'all. All I've had today is my little egg bowl. I had a beef stick, coffee. Oh, and a little bit of chips. That was it. And it's like 4 or 5 p.m. already. I just took some like little pump pick reel things. But I just realized, you guys, I left my, what's it called, dongle at home. So I have to go buy one because if I don't have my dongle, I can't get any footage from my cameras onto my phone. So gotta hit up like Best Buy or something. And then, yeah, I'm scared to see how much they're gonna cost. I know on Amazon they're like 10 bucks, but I know in person they're always like taxing. Like it's gonna be probably 30 bucks for a freaking dongle, which is like annoying, but whatever. It's my own fault. So I am about to figure out where the nearest food place is. I'm thinking Jimmy John's. I'm still kind of craving Jimmy John's, but I'm open to other options. I'm gonna see what's around and then I'll vlog when I get there. I was literally all that talk about Jimmy John's and then I looked up the reviews for the one that I was gonna go to. It was like 2 stars, so came to Tijuana Flats instead and I'm gonna get some tacos. I got my food. I just got 2 tacos, chicken, onions, lettuce, and tomatoes. So I'm about to so good. So clearly it was mid. I feel like anytime I get tacos, they're never anything special because they're dry as fuck since I can't get sour cream or cheese. So it is what it is. And now I'm about to head over to the hotel, see the area I'm staying in. And yeah, that's about it. That's the update for now. Oh, and I got a massive CZ. Look at how big this thing is. It's so dead in here. I'm like, where's everybody at? It's 6 p.m. on a Friday, so probably not at Tijuana Flats. I just looked up the hotel that I'm staying at from here, which is in like a different city. It's only gonna take me 30 minutes to get there. I still need to go find a dongle though. I need to do that before I probably get to the hotel.
At Walmart, getting the SD card reader. $30 freaking dollars. I knew they were gonna be taxing here. I literally knew it, but I need it, so it's okay. I think I'm going to, I need to buy a toothbrush because I left mine at home. I need to buy a toothbrush, and I think that's it, and then I'm gonna go home.
It's a bit later. I have showered. I didn't wash my hair. I just kind of did a body shower. I'm in my PJs now. Makeup's off. Face is clean. I think I'm going to do a little teeth whitening thing. I got these, I think off TikTok. I can't really remember. I'm not really consistent with it, and I really should be. So I'm gonna do that. I know they're like good for sensitive teeth. Not sponsored. I think you keep it on for 30 to 45 minutes is what it says. So I'll probably keep it on for 45. Typically though, what I do is I'll cut these in half because I feel like the whole thing is kind of a lot, but I don't have scissors. So I'm gonna just do the whole thing. These actually are very unflattering. So I'm gonna put them on and then I'll be back. I'm gonna let them sit and then I'll be back. I can't really talk. It's been 45 minutes, so I'm gonna take these off. Yum. Scrumptious. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth again. Done with that. Think I'm going to head to bed now. There's really not much else for me to do. It's like midnight. I'm gonna go. Hope you enjoyed this little travel road trip vlog, and I will talk to y'all next time. Don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. Probably not. We'll see. But yeah, love you guys.